What's up, everybody? It's the Blind Bearded Chef Zeke. That is me. That is me. I'm about to make my lemon blueberry Bundt cake. So let's get the ingredients together. This is a cake that I wanted for my 11-year transplant anniversary. And so, since I'm going to make it for myself, I might as well show y'all the recipe too. All right, let's get busy, y'all. In my bowl right here, I have 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. I have a half a teaspoon of kosher salt, and I have 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Let's get that combined right quick. Also, let's combine the zest of 1 lemon. I like to put a little lemon zest in mine. Make sure I get it all in there. All right, so put your lemon zest in there. In my mixing bowl right here, I have 1 1/2 stick of butter. So that's either, let's see, 12 tablespoons, or like I say, 1 stick and a half a stick of butter. All this is room temperature. Put in there 1 cup of granulated sugar, and we're gonna cream this up right quick. After that's creamed up, I took 3 eggs and separated them. So I'm about to put the 3 egg yolks in there. Okay, 3 egg yolks. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay, let's mix this all together. Next, let's put in the juice of 1 lemon. Okay, so that's the juice of 1 lemon. I got 2/3 cups of buttermilk, and we got our dry. So we're gonna do it in 3 parts. We're gonna do dry, wet, dry, wet, dry. So let's put a little dry in here. About that much dry. And we're going to mix, because we don't want to over mix. Mix on low speed. Low. Let's add a little wet. That's on the buttermilk. Alright, so we're going to do this in increments. Then we're going to whip up the egg whites. Got that all creamed up. I've cleaned my beaters on my mixer. Set that over there. Now, right here, I have 3 egg whites. And I got 1/3 cup of sugar. So, when you're making meringue, you gotta make sure that your bowl is clean of any oil or anything. So, I clean my bowl with some vinegar. Okay? Now, I clean my mixer beaters, whatever they call. Okay. Now, I'm gonna start this on slow, and I'm gonna get me some meringue. I need some stiff peaks, so we're gonna start on slow. Okay, at this state, let's add a little sugar. Let's add about that much, about a tablespoon. Let's start it back. All right, there go my meringue. They made stiff peaks, as y'all see right here. Okay, now I'm gonna take my spatula and scoop that into my batter. This is gonna make this cake real fluffy and moist too, or real fluffy. Ever wanna make your cake extra fluffy? Separate your egg whites from your egg yolks and make the meringue. And got meringue in there. Make sure I get it all. Okay, I want to take my spatula and I just want to fold it in. And also, let's fold this in. I want to fold it in without deflating it. So all the streaks gone. You know, I can't see it, but I'm going to have it well combined. All right here I have 2½ cups of blueberries tossed in flour. You toss them in flour so they won't sink to the bottom of your cake. And we're gonna fold that in. I got my oven set at 350 degrees. And I got a Bundt pan that's greased and floured. All right. There go my batter, y'all. Okay. Some of the blueberries might have burst in it. I don't know. But here go my Bundt pan. Y'all know I love to do this with an ice cream scooper. So let's get me some batter and I'm going to scoop it in there. All right, there we go. About to put it in the oven for 50 minutes to an hour. So Alexa, set timer for 60 minutes.
1 hour, starting now.
All right. It's been 50 minutes. I'm sorry, I mean it's been an hour. Where I'm at here. Oh boy. Got stuff all in the way. Supposed to be right here. All right. It's been in the oven 55 minutes. Let me get my toothpick and do a toothpick test. Oh yeah. It's ready. Look at those pretty blueberries right there. All right, we're gonna let it sit out. We're gonna let it cool for about 5 to 10 minutes. We're gonna flip it over. All right, let's flip this baby over. We go our cake thing, our cake. Okay, I'm taking it and flip it on here. Tap, 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 tap. Right, let's see what it came out to look like. Make sure I got it centered on here. Yeah, there we go. Oh, look at that, y'all. Oh, look how it bounced back. And I smell those wonderful blueberries. So we're going to let it cool down all the way. Then I'm about to put some lemon glaze on it, which is going to be nothing but some lemon juice from a fresh lemon, some powdered sugar. I might put a little yellow food color to make it yellow, to make it look lemony. All right. There we go, our lemon blueberry Bundt cake. Whee! All right, let's make a little lemon glaze for our cake. So let's put some powdered sugar in there. We're gonna say this is about a, I don't know how to, just about a cup. Yeah. So about a cup of powdered sugar. Okay. Some fresh squeezed lemon juice. We're gonna say about 2 tablespoons. Right there. And we're gonna put about a teaspoon of half and half. Okay, we're gonna start off with that. And then if we have to add more, we will. Let's take it and stir together till you get the thickness or the thinness that you like. All right. Okay, I have to add about another half a cup of powdered sugar, and there we go. That's the consistency. Now, I'm about to put it on our lovely cake. All right, there goes the lemon blueberry cake. Now let's taste a piece. All right, y'all, it's cake time. It's cake time. This This cake is gonna be so delicious. Y'all know I already done taste a piece, but to let y'all always know that I eat my own food. Blueberries and lemons will never disappoint. Happy anniversary cake to me. Y'all have a blessed one, because I'm blessed. Bye, y'all.